Good morning everyone. My name is Arushi from grade 5. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Wednesday and today's date is 17 September 2025. Thank you. Good morning all. This is Ranveer from grade 5. Every Wednesday we observe Wednesday. So on behalf of it, I am going to share you some healthy tips such as limit sugary drinks, eat nuts and seeds, avoid ultra-processed foods. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Arohika from grade 5.
My name is Diksha Kabra from grade 5.
I am Avanti Pawar from grade 5.
This is Srishti Kashkishkar from grade 5.
We are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing Marathwada Liberation Day. It marks the liberation of Marathwada region from the rule of the Nizam of Hyderabad on 17 September 1948.
Talking about an important mission called Operation Polo, a military operation done by Indian government launched on 13 September 1948, ended on 17 September 1948. The operation resulted in the integration of Hyderabad into Indian Union.
Its significance are it marks the freedom of Marathwada region for tyranny, symbol of bravery, sacrifice and patriotism of people, celebrated mainly in Aurangabad, Osmanabad and Latur districts.
Some important leaders of the movement: Swami Ramananda III, Govind Bhai Shroff, Anna Sahib Late, Vasudev Balwant III.
From Shraddha Olympiad School want to send message that value freedom, the power of unity,
and the role of common people.
Let us remember the sacrifice that brought Marathwada into free India.
Jai Marathwada. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I want everyone to please stand straight for the breathing exercise. Take a deep breath through your nose. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly. One last time. Take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Thank you.
Haya Grivam